Anybody can grow long and thick healthy hair. All it requires is dedication and healthy hair care routine. Hello beauties, welcome back to another DIY hair video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a super moisturizing hair grease, or you can call it hair cream. So what this hair cream is going to do for you, it is going to moisturize your hair, and when your hair is moisturized, you're able to prevent dryness, and when your hair is not dry, it is not going to break, and when your hair is not breaking, you are going to achieve that healthy long and thick hair you desire. So if you want to grow a healthy hair, always make sure your hair is always moisturized. So guys, to make this hair cream, I am using chebe powder. Chebe powder is the first ingredient you saw me adding to this bowl. Using chebe powder has many benefits. Combining chebe powder with water, butter or oil makes it a fantastic conditioning treatment for the hair. So in this video, I am going to be combining my chebe powder with butter and oil. And for my butter, I made use of cocoa butter because it contains bioactive compounds that are great in enhancing hair texture, strengthening hair roots, enables better moisture retention, prevents various hair problems such as dryness, dandruff, split ends, and hair loss. You can make use of shea butter, it is still very amazing, or you can use mango butter. And I also went in with my herbal hair growth oil, which consists of rosemary, hibiscus, peppermint. A lot of them. I've showed that video here on this channel, so I'm going to link the video of that hair growth oil in the description so you can check it out. And lastly, I also made use of virgin hair fertilizer to give it extra benefit. If you don't have it at hand, you can totally skip it. And after combining all my ingredients together, I just went over the heat to use the double boiling method to melt my cocoa butter and also melt the virgin hair fertilizer so that everything can combine together and the chebe powder can infuse into the mixture. So after melting my mixture, I set it aside to cool down. So after cooling down, I make sure I strain it so I don't have particles of the chebe powder in my hair. So do well to strain yours when you're making it. And after that, I'm just pouring it into my container and I'm going to be putting it in the freezer for 30 minutes.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough,
look at it guys, after freezing it for I think it was like an hour, this is what we have guys. This is super moisturizing, like, and it's so easy to make. It is loaded with lots of benefit that is going to help you prevent hair breakage. And remember, less breakage equals to longer hair, thicker hair, healthy hair. So always make sure you try to avoid hair breakage guys. I don't know how I can say this. Avoid hair breakage and you're just going to achieve that thicker and longer hair you so desire guys. So keep watching this video and I'm going to show you how I use this to moisturize my hair. Okay guys, and don't forget to subscribe.
I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see.
And this is what my hair looks like guys. I have them in chunky twists. So firstly, I'm going to go in with my hairspray and I'm just going to dampen my hair a little bit. It's pretty much simple guys. You can use a leave-in conditioner if you don't want to use spray. Like guys, I noticed a lot of people have been watching videos here but they are not subscribed to the channel. Please, when you come across my video, kindly click on the subscribe button. On this channel, I share a lot of natural hair related content that I know will be helpful to a lot of people. So just kindly subscribe turn on your post notification so you'll be notified every time I post a new video here. So guys, I'm just making sure I hydrate my hair enough before going in with the hair cream. Like I said before, you can use your leave-in conditioner, but I just prefer using my herbal hairspray, which consists of rosemary, hibiscus. You can use anyone that's okay by you. I have a lot of spray treatment on this channel, so you can just check it out and make anyone that's okay by you.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if you
Make sure you're very generous when you're applying this cream because you're actually using it to seal in moisture. So make sure you're very generous.
time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Oh, and if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
That is it, guys. So I'm just going to pack my hair back just to make sure I protect my ends. Okay? If you're trying to retain length, always make sure your ends are tucked in, like don't leave them out. Okay? Let's tuck in your ends like this to prevent split ends. So that is it, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you're going to be subscribing to the channel if you've been watching without subscribing. Until I see you in my next video. Bye, guys.